In this video, I will show how to remove science, scientific notation from large numbers in Microsoft Excel. Like once you try to enter the large number, so you will be not able in Excel. So to resolve this problem, right click on it, format cells, and here select the number and here make 0, decimal places make 0, then click on OK. And one thing you have to note, Excel will show only 15 numbers. After that, they will show you only 0 digit. So this is the way, guys, you can fix this problem. Now drag and drop. Like this. So thanks for watching.